To add image in text, go over to the Elements tab in the Object panel and come over to Find Frames. You would open that up and you want to find the letter frames, and you will click on See All. You will see all those letters that are here. You want to go through them and see the ones you like. So whichever letters you like, you want to select from them and start working with. So we'll begin to put in letters that will make up text. So let's put in T, and we'll find E, and we'll find the following one, X, and let's add in T again. Now we have our text here. We're going to select on all four of them and go over to position and space it evenly horizontally, and we'll go over to the Elements tab. Let's go back and come down to Photos. We want to find photos that we want to insert into this frame. We're going to search the kind of photos and you begin to put it into the frame. You double tap and drag the frame like so. You want to spread out the photo how you want to appear inside of the letters. You want to position that. Once you're happy with how you position, click on Done. We're going to add in the image again and we're going to put it in. Now we're using the first image in the first frame to measure the same exact position this image is. Using that bottle, let's size it down and we'll click on Done once we have that. Now let's add in the image again for the third one. We'll do the same, expanding the image to fill out the text while using that bottle in the T to measure whether we are getting the exact size of the image in the first frame. And we'll do the same for the last one. That way you have your image correctly positioned, and once you have it positioned properly, we are going to click on Done. And now you have your images in the frame.